Seems there's a meniscal tear in your right knee.
Doctor, what is this meniscal tear?
Each knee has two crescent-shaped menisci or cushion pads. These strong but flexible menisci act as shock absorbers between the femur and the tibia. Especially during weight-bearing activities such as walking or climbing stairs. The menisci also stabilize and evenly distribute your body weight across the knee joint. Meniscal injury is a knee injury. It can occur during a twisting or pivotal motion with the foot planted on the ground. Say for example, while playing tennis or even while squatting in the garden. It can also occur while lifting heavy weight. It can occur at any time during life. With a typical meniscal tear, you will feel the pain at the side or center of the knee, depending on the location of the tear. Often, walking is not impeded, and the knee may swell or feel stiff. Pain associated with the tear is actually caused due to swelling and injury to its surrounding tissue. Generally speaking, smaller the tear, lesser the pain. Other symptoms include tenderness while pressing on the meniscus, popping or clicking sound within the knee, and limited motion of the knee joint. The location of the tear will determine whether or not the injury will be able to heal on its own. Tears of the outer edge of the meniscus tend to heal easily due to good blood supply. However, the inner two-thirds of the meniscus does not get sufficient blood supply, and hence, it's difficult for tears in this area to heal on their own. If untreated, these tears may cause the knee to develop arthritis.
Doctor, my knee pain is unbearable. What is the treatment for me?
When a tear begins to interfere in your everyday activities, and when non-surgical treatment options have not been successful, then surgical repair of the meniscus may be necessary to prevent any further damage and to restore the functional ability of the knee. Based on the physical examination of your knee, I think you will require a surgery on your knee to repair the problem. Don't worry. Usually a meniscal damage is repaired by an arthroscopic surgery. You have come to the right place without wondering about, because such surgeries are performed by an arthroscopist like me.
What is this arthroscopic surgery?
An arthroscopic surgery is a minimal invasive surgery. This is a procedure which can be completed within 60 to 90 minutes. During the procedure, we make 2 to 3 very small cuts in your knee. Through one of these cuts, we insert a tiny camera called arthroscope. It is just like the lens of a camera, which helps us to view the inside of the joint on a screen. We then insert specialized instruments inside the knee through the other incision. If it is a partial meniscectomy surgery, we trim the damaged meniscal tissue. And if we have to perform a meniscal repair, then we repair the torn meniscus using sutures. After the surgery, you will be moved to the recovery room for close observation of your vital signs and circulation. You may remain in the recovery room for a few hours. When you leave the hospital, your knee will be covered with a bandage and you may be instructed to walk with the assistance of crutches. The recovery period for a meniscal repair surgery is at least 6 weeks. You should continue to use crutches for a month to keep any weight off your knee. You will also be instructed to ice or elevate your knee as required. Now, it's very important for you to follow a strict rehabilitation exercise program for a period of 3 to 4 months to regain functional recovery of the knee. The exercise program will begin with improving your range of motion. Strengthening exercises will gradually be added based on the progress. Remember, Complete functional recovery of your knee is in your hands after the surgery. So, go gradual. Do not rush.